Okay, I'm stopping to download Upside. That's all it takes. Download the free Upside app now to earn cash back every time you buy gas. Use promo code SUPPLY to get up to a $5 cash back bonus on your first tank. You can cash out anytime. Write your bank to PayPal or a gift card for Amazon and other brands. Just download the free Upside app and use promo code SUPPLY to get up to a $5 cash back bonus on your first tank. That's code SUPPLY for up to a $5 cash back bonus. Cheers. 5 minutes ago, a minute ago, a law enforcement officer pulled up behind Kyle.
Have you been drinking?
A chain of events that began 2 hours ago is about to change Kyle's whole world. Drive sober or get pulled over. Pay for finance.
There's something about a carpentry show. The intricate cuts and smooth textures to the luster and feel of handmade pieces. If you've always been fascinated by woodworking but haven't had a chance to learn it, the CSI Community Education Center has classes you should look into. A chance to make your own wood-behind object for your home or for gifts. Find out more about CSI's non-credit woodworking classes at CSI.edu.